Hello guys, good to be back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Nissan Pulsar. We've changed the filters and the oil, and after changing that you need to input that in the odometer or the instrument cluster of this car. Let's get right into it. Press or turn the ignition to the second position. All the indicator lighter must go on. Then we're going to use this area to enter the menu in our instrument cluster. Scroll down to find vehicle settings. Yes, press enter to enter the menu. Scroll down to maintenance and service like this, then enter this area over here and set the kilometers on the amount you want to change the next oil service or the filters again. Slightly new car, it's about 97,000 kilometers, so I'm gonna set it to 15,000. But our recommendations are, the older the car gets or more kilometers or the mileage the car has, the sooner you need to change the oil of the engine. Get back, start up the car to find out if there are any indicators popping up about the service. Nothing pops up. So this was a video on how to reset a Nissan Pulsar 2015. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.